Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your film studio business. If you run a film studio, then manually managing all the studio bookings and availability can be a very overwhelming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for film studio business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I have sent a general message like hi. And our chatbot responds us with welcome to Framehouse Studios. We help you plan, book and manage your shots with ease. Please choose an option below. So I'm going to select the first option that says check availability. And our chatbot responds us with please share your time slot. So here I'm going to send my time slot as 11 a.m. And it responds me with we will check availability for 11 a.m. slot and will confirm the slot shortly. So I'm going to choose the second option that says book a studio. And our chatbot responds us with a clickable link to book a studio. Lastly, I'm going to respond with management help, and our chatbot responds us with all the contact details of the management. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I've created for film studio business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I've named it to WhatsApp Chatbot for Film Studio. On the screen, there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex, and regex is short term used for regular expression, and it is a special pattern of characters which help us by activating the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template, and when we click on it, we get a list of all the approved template. You can choose any template to send to the user. Now I'm going to curate our first message with the help of text button. Here I'm going to add a welcome message like this, and it will appear like this to the user. And here we have added little star signs, as it will make the text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Here with the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options like this. And now we have to curate a response for each quick reply option. So let's begin with check availability, and for this I'm going to access the action type nodes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option, and here I'm going to add all the availability details like this. And in the contact custom field, I'm going to select time, and as format I'm going to select any. And if you want to learn how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box. And now I'm going to curate a confirmation message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add this message, which will appear like this to the user. And here we have added $time, because time was our contact custom fields, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual time sent by the user. Now I'm going to move ahead with our second quick reply option that says book a studio. And for this, I'm going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to add this message where we have provided a direct clickable link to book the studio, which will appear like this to the user. And lastly, I'm going to curate a response for management help, for which I'm going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to add a message like this, which will appear like this to the user, where we have added all the details to contact our studio management. And this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for Film Studio with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to create the same, you can follow this procedure, and when you have completed your flow, you can save it from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.